Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is my card read for this week, which will bring us into March 2024. And we've just had the full moon in Virgo, which was yesterday on the 24th. And I got some pictures of it here. This is this morning, so it was very low and large looking in the sky. And it was alternating between being covered in this thick eerie mist and then being really bright here like the sun, and it was just alternating as the waves of mist came past from one to the other. And that, to me, when I get to this card over here, the Two of Pentacles, kind of mirrors this back and forth energy at the moment. So there's a sense of doubt and fear on one side, alternating with confidence, maybe about exactly the same situation on the other side, and just exploring and weighing up those two sides at the moment. So I pulled a card just from a deck I was looking at the other day. I can't remember what the deck was called, but the card that came out was Inner Strength. So I'm going to talk around that a little bit as a theme. I think inner strength, it's not always reassuring to hear that, because it implies, a challenge that you're going to have to be strong to withstand, whether it's internal or external. So it can be interpreted as you will need to have inner strength, or that just a reminder that you have inner strength. So I guess take it as a reminder that you are strong and resilient. In the tarot, strength is card 8, and that's the lion. So, be the lion, be the wood dragon, like I was talking about last video, be the warrior, believe in yourself, remember your inner strength. It doesn't go away, but we forget about it and we forget how to use it. So the message is be confident. Where your inner strength may have been damaged or sort of taken and sort of knocked, be confident, find that little spark of inner fire and expand it. Take it back. Stand tall. Have a piercing gaze and own whatever you do. If you're going to do something, do it with strength, do it deliberately, do it clearly, with purpose. So even before I pulled the cards, the other card that's been coming to me during the week is the Magician. So that's just a reminder again about belief, magic and belief. So the Magician has all the tools that he needs. You have everything that you need already. You have everything within you to succeed, to do what you want to do, achieve what you want to achieve. The key to unlock that magic is belief. Believing that you will, believing that you can, believing that you are doing it. Seeing in your mind how it will look, feeling how it will feel. I always think it's good with a goal to think, well, how do I want to feel? And then work backwards from that. So yes, belief and magic coming up there even before I pulled any of these 4 cards. So let's get to the cards that I pulled for this next week going into March and March 2024. First of all, we got the Nine of Wands. So the Nine of Wands is fearful and anxious about taking action. Wands are action. And he's holding on to that wand, doesn't want to let go, is perhaps protecting it, doesn't want anyone to take it. He's protecting what's his. There could be threats to your emotional safety, so you're on your guard emotionally. Maybe your adrenaline is up, you're hypervigilant about a situation you're in, and you've got survival mode switched on most of the time. But then, this is exhausting. It exhausts the adrenal glands, and it doesn't leave headspace for you to plan solutions and the next steps if you're just in survival mode. Because that fear just puts you in the moment and basic thinking and what you need to survive that moment. So it's not a good state to be in to find a solution or to visualize the next steps, see yourself doing the next steps. So the question I ask is the threat real? Well, yes, there has been some sort of threat to put you in this sort of emotional state. The the threat will have been more emotional and psychological than physical. So that's just sort of bouncing back where a lot of people are at the moment. There's a sense of suspicion, and there's also a sense that wherever your emotional safety was taken or compromised, you were caught off guard. So now you're being hyper vigilant and hyper self-protective. Okay, so that's our Nine of Wands. Then we've got the Six of Pentacles. So he's got his scales and he's giving out to people what they rightly deserve. So it's a bit like the Justice card: justice, fairness, karma, getting what you deserve. But it's not the Justice card. With Pentacles there, this is more work related. So everything I'm saying could be in relation to work. There's money being weighed up. There's also questions about, are you getting the money you deserve? Are you getting the treatment that you deserve? Are you valued the way that you should be? Because we've got the Nine of Wands there, I feel like the answer is probably no. There's a sense of saying that's not fair, this isn't right, I'm worth more than this. And then we come back to the idea of belief. Start to believe that. If that's how you're feeling, say it and believe it and have that in your energy field and frame it positively to attract what you do deserve. So interesting with going from that first card to the second one there. And then I pulled out these next two together. So we've got Two of Pentacles, which is weighing things up. It's about making a decision, making a choice. Pentacles, so it's work, it's money related, it's business related. So like I said at the start, it's that sort of, it's the haze around the moon and then it's the bright light of the moon. It's the fear versus the confidence. But with that, we have the Six of Wands, which is victory. It's the victory card. So whatever you're weighing up, whatever you're not sure about, whatever you're still reflecting on or trying to find the confidence to take the next steps in, Six of Wands says there will be success, there will be victory, there will be a positive outcome. Interesting too how we've got the pentacle and a wand first and then pentacles and a wand at the end. This Six of Wands at the end is a much better situation that you are going into. Look at him, he's looking forwards, he's going forwards. Then this first one, back here, the Nine of Wands, he's not moving, not making progress, looking backwards, feeling insecure, holding on. He doesn't get to here without letting go. So it's that idea. I saw a cartoon somewhere of, two versions of a person, one of them holding on and looking back, the other one reaching forwards and trying to move forwards, but they couldn't move forwards until this one let go. So very work related with the Pentacles, but it's this weighing up, it's this decision, it's this not sure sort of situation, which I think is feeling that little bit stuck. And the key, like I said before, the key to the magic, the key to the movement, the key to bringing about what's next in the way that you want it is that self-belief. That is the theme this month, self-belief. Believe in yourself. And one other thing I'll mention, I didn't include it in the picture, but at the bottom of the deck, after this last card, we had the Five of Wands, which is just squabbling, arguments, squabbling, and I got a sense that's part of what you'll be leaving behind. So I hope that was useful, and I'll talk again soon. Bye, everyone.